Alright, when we're doing a ridge vent, we're going to go ahead and cut in our decking here, and then we'll bring our unified steel ridge vent or equivalent on there. And then we're going to go ahead and bend up our panel up against that ridge vent. So 3/4 inch shy of my 2x2 buildup. And then we'll go ahead and fasten that as normal. Getting fasteners into my front nose and the back shelf. Make sure we don't over tighten these fasteners. We gotta keep that 3/4 inch space for our venting to happen. Now you can decide to use our barrel vault top row if you'd like. You can go ahead and put that one in there. Make sure I'm using either my M-seal or my foam closer underneath that before I put it down, one or the other. And you can use that as well if you like that look. So now this is where the buildup becomes very important. We want to make sure that we have enough buildup to hold the cap off a 1/2 inch from my panel. That way we can get that breathing. Okay, so we have our buildup where it's resting on top of there, and we have our 1/2 inch on top. And then we'll go ahead, place those, and just fasten those as normal. 2 fasteners per cap. And now we have that 1/2 inch space, so we can go ahead and get that breathing going.